latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Obesity can be the result of lifestyle, hormones, genes, and so on. Whatever the cause of this may be, obesity can lead to several life-threatening illnesses. High blood pressure, diabetes, coronary heart disease, strokes are a few illnesses that can be triggered by being overweight or obese. In recent studies, researchers have found obese people can get more ill with coronavirus than their counterparts. A study of 17,000 hospitalized COVID-19 patients in the UK shows that people with a body mass index above 30 had 33% greater risk of dying than others who were not obese. A study by the NHS UK has found that obesity doubled the risk of dying among COVID-19 patients. This study did not take into consideration health issues linked with obesity like diabetes, which would increase the risk further. A study of critically ill patients in intensive care units in the UK found that nearly 73% of the patients had weight issues, ranging from overweight to morbidly obese. Of all the COVID-19 patients in the ICU, 34.5% were overweight, 31.5% obese, and 7% morbidly obese. The higher the weight of a person, the more fat they carry in their body. The excess fat is detrimental to the lungs as it lowers the capacity of the lungs, making it a struggle to get oxygen into the blood and subsequently to the rest of the body. Eventually, the body gets overwhelmed as organs get damaged due to the lack of oxygen. Scientists have discovered an enzyme called ACE2, which is the main way for the virus to enter the human body. Fatty tissues contain a higher level of this enzyme. This can put overweight people at a higher risk of contracting the virus. Excessive body fat, especially abdominal fat, triggers the production of pro-inflammatory immune cells, which can cause damage to the body. The risk of a life-threatening overreaction of the body's immune system can lead to inflammation and serious harm to the person. Obesity comes with other health complications like weak heart, kidney problems, etc. These problems can add to the complication of treating coronavirus and hinder successful treatment. Blood clots are more likely to develop in coronavirus patients, but researchers are not yet sure as to the cause of this.